Inside one of the largest private jets in the world. Welcome to a tour of one of the largest private jets in the world. This Boeing 767 private jet has over 2,000 square feet of space and a range of 6,000 miles and can accommodate up to 40 passengers. The interior of this jet is designed to provide the ultimate luxury experience with a spacious lounge, a dining area, a bedroom, and a bathroom with a shower. The jet's owner gave designer Yves Pickardt carte blanche to make the airplane feel like a family home. The idea was to create a flying mansion, and the result is stunning.